All right, it doesn't seem like they're ready for our most sick and twisted piece. So let's do our most twisted, our other second in line twisted. And the reason this is twisted is because it's the song was written because of cows, the voice of the cows. I was on a beach in Kilios, and this is the Black Sea coast of Turkey. I spent 2 days on a beach, a deserted beach. So I'm on the beach playing my violin, I gotta kill 2 days here before my flight goes home. And these two cows came down from the hill. And I've never really met a cow before. So I was a little nervous, you know. I've eaten cows, you know, obviously. And these two cows came, and I'm thinking to myself, geez, I've eaten a lot of cows, and they know it. I can tell. They know it. So I'm thinking, yeah, this is my last day on Earth. At least I'll go out playing the violin. And, you know, maybe I'll get famous because I'll be the guy that was eaten by cows. Yeah. Anyways, it turns out the cows are really sweet. They were just like dogs. They were nudging me, and they were playing in the water, in the ocean, in the water, or the sea, whatever it is, ocean, sea, Black Sea. They were splashing in the water. They were nudging me, and they were licking my leather boots. At that moment, I knew that they knew what I'd been up to. Anyways, I looked in their big, pretty eyes, because they really have these sweet eyes, and I can't eat beef anymore without feeling guilty. Yeah. I still do, but I just feel guilty. Anyways, so I took the voice of the cows as they were doing their mooing thing, if that's an actual word, and I wrote this piece using their notes that they actually moved exactly on this pitch. And yeah. So we call this one Cows of Kilios, based on a very unusual Turkish rhythm. And if anybody knows how to do the Turkish cow dance, now's your chance. I really don't even know what to say. It's a little awkward, isn't it? When we finish that song and move, yeah. All right, so we're dedicating this whole next segment to animals. This next song, written on the same trip, this summer we went to Turkey to play the World Music Festival there, and then the other guys had to get back to their jobs, and they came home. I went on to Romania, and after that Tunisia, and spent a month and a half wandering aimlessly by myself, and this is what happened. So I went searching for the gypsies in Romania, without any direction really. Ended up finding all these little gypsy villages off the beaten paths, on these little dirt roads, and ended up in a field. I didn't find any actual gypsy musicians, just the gypsies. Gypsies were everywhere. And I went behind these gypsy wagons in this field and to write a song, because I was in despair because I didn't find the gypsy musicians, and I wanted them to teach me the gypsy music. So instead, I'm writing a song. These birds are chirping like crazy. And I'm like, geez, shut up. I'm trying to write a song here. Anyways, I couldn't beat them, so I joined them, and I just kind of started making bird sounds. And then I wrote this song kind of based on the bird sounds. And then I realized it kind of sounds like Romanian gypsy music. So I kind of, I didn't get to meet the actual Romanian gypsies and learn their music, but I think I learned it from the original source. So another thing interesting about this song, it is our very fastest song of all of our songs. Per measure, note per measure, very fast. It's the fastest. I think we got 47 notes per measure in this song. We counted them with a special notarizer machine. Notary public. Anyways, it starts off slow, and then the birds started chirping, and then you'll see what happens. We call this one Gypsy Bird. Thank you.